Embark on a journey to financial freedom, starting with the fundamentals of personal finance. Mastering these basics is your first step. Budgeting, it's not just about limiting yourself, it's about making your money work effectively for you. Understand your income and expenses. Saving is the cornerstone of financial security. Even small amounts saved regularly can grow into significant savings over time. Investing lets your money work for you. Understand the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to start growing your wealth. Good credit is key to financial health. It affects your ability to borrow money and the rates you'll pay. Managing debt wisely prevents financial strain. Learn the difference between good and bad debt and strategies to manage it. Personal finance mastery starts with these basics. Take control of your financial destiny today and watch your life transform.